Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I want to teach you about the concept of order and types of order, okay? So I'm going to open my OKX app right here. Remember that this is the same process and strategy if you're trying to trade in other centralized exchanges. And basically, there are other kinds of trading strategy that I'm going to show you, okay? So I am right here in my OKX menu. I want to come right here to the main menu right there, and then go to the trade session right here. So I'm going to tap right here on the spot trading, and then at this point I'm going to see this menu right here. All right, so the next thing now is I want to select the trading pairs I want to work with. Okay, so I'm going to come in right here. This is the trading pairs right here. I'm going to tap on this triangle there, and I want to search for the coins that I want to trade with. Okay, so let's go with USDT for instance. Now the USDT is a stable coin that can go against every single coins in the crypto space. Okay, so stable coins means it doesn't go down, doesn't go up, it remains $1. That $1 is always $1. Okay, so if you leave your currencies in USDT, it means that in years to come it's gonna still be on that exact amount. Okay, except you swap it to a non-stable coin where it goes up and come down. Okay, so there you can determine if you're making more profit or you're making more loss. But as long as that currency is a United States dollar, it stays at the fixed price. Okay, and then I'm going to look for a popular pair right here to work with. Okay, so let's go with Notcoin again. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to understand the trading order. Okay, so I'm going to swipe down here to see my trading panel. Okay, now the first thing I want you to look at here is going to be this icon right here. Okay, so that's the percentage at which Notcoin has gone down against USDT. You have to understand that a Notcoin is minus 6% down against USDT, right? So it means that Notcoin is decreasing in value because the Notcoin is not a stable coin. Okay, so it's always going up, coming down, which is called the volatility. Okay, so right here I want to talk about the trading order. Remember, I already talked about the buying and selling, right? I'm going to tap right here on the limit order. Okay, so here I'm going to explain the major types of order that you need to understand in the crypto space. Okay, and the first one here is going to be the limit order. Okay, now the Notcoin here is the base pair. Okay, now you're trying to say that when the Notcoin gets to a particular price, I want you to buy. All right, that is how the limit order works. Okay, now let's say 2.5. What you're trying to say here is that when the price of the Notcoin gets to 0.025, buy. When the price gets there. All right, so I'm going to tap right here on the amount you want in Notcoin. You can just decide to choose by percentage here on the amount you have in your USDT. Okay, so it means that if I'm using 100%, it's gonna use all the money right here. If I use 50%, it's gonna use half of the money right here. Okay, and this is the price I am paying. This is the amount of Notcoin I'm gonna get, right? So you are saying that when the price gets to 0.025, I want you to buy. Okay, and this is the quantity I'm gonna get if it's buying for me. That's how the limit order works. The same thing applies to the sell right here. Now when you come to the sell right here, now you're trying to say that when the price gets to a particular amount, I want you to sell. Okay, so at this point you don't have to watch over your trades because you set a standard to say when it gets here buy, when it gets here sell. Okay, so that's basically the concept about the limit order. All right, so when you come in right here again, the next thing I want to talk about is gonna be the market order. Okay, so here in the market order, it's very straightforward. It means you're buying at the current market price. Okay, so when you hit the sell right here, it sells, and when you come into buy right here, when you hit the buy button right there, it buys instantly at the current market price. So that's how this works out when you're talking about the market order. Okay, so you're simply buying at the market price, and when you come to the limit order here, you're simply telling the market that when you get to this particular amount, I want you to buy. Okay, so the next thing here is going to be the stop loss and take profit. Okay, so the TP here stands for take profit and the SL stands for stop loss. Okay, so at this point you're trying to set a standard. Okay, so what this basically means is that you want the price to hit the take profit when it gets to a particular price, or when it gets below a particular price, you want it to stop loss. Okay, so you can buy, and no matter how the project goes down, when you know it's a good project, it will always rise up for you to take your profit. Okay, when you come into the market with the investor's mindset, okay, and the price goes below what you bought it for, you don't have to worry, okay, because the price will always recover when it comes to sports trading. Okay, so this is basically what you need to know about the order. Okay, we have the three types of major orders here. We have the limit order, we have the market order, and then we have the take profit and stop loss. Okay, so this is what you need to know about the market order. So I'll see you in the next video.